Hello everybody. Hello K1 Visa filers. Now in this video, gusto ko lang pong i-share sa inyo kung anong month na ba sila nag-a-approve right now ng I-129f petition, and also gaano nga ba katagal maghintay ng NVC letter. How long do you have to wait for you to receive your NVC letter or the K1 FTP from getting approved on your I-129f petition hanggang sa matanggap po ninyo? Gaano nga ba katagal? And also, sino ba ang makakatanggap ng NVC letter? Si petitioner ba? Si beneficiary ba? Or both of you will receive the NVC letter? Now, if you're new here, mag-subscribe ka na. Click the bell button to get notified on my uploads especially about K1 Fiance Visa, para updated din po kayo sa mga nangyayari right now. And also, please help me share this video and don't forget to like this video. So, hello everybody. Hello po. Kumusta ang lahat? How are you? Hello everybody. Hello K1 Visa filers. Kumusta po? Yes, congratulations po sa mga na-approve na recently. Ang dami pong na-approve na on their I-129f petition for alien fiancé. Congratulations po sa inyong lahat. And next step is the NVC letter and then the DS-160. Now, anong month na nga ba sila nag-a-approve right now? So anyways, if you're new to my channel, let me just introduce myself to you. Hello po. Hello everyone. Kumusta? My name is Jade or Jai. I am originally from the Philippines, but I live now here in Pensacola, Florida. Just like you, I got here through a K1 Fiance Visa, and I am now a green card holder under 2 years conditional. Now, again, if you're new here, if you just saw this video, if you haven't subscribed yet, I do upload videos about K1 Fiance Visa and adjustment of status visa, especially from my personal experience as a DIY filer po of K1 Visa. I post my experience, my research, my knowledge, kung ano po yung mga nalalaman ko about the process. I share it with other people po, especially yung mga nagdi-DIY din out there na kagaya ko po. So, nagsishare ako ng mga videos ko. You may visit my channel, Jai and Jerry. Go to playlist. Sa playlist po, there's an album title there, K1 Visa, and the other one is adjustment of status. So, sineparate ko na siya para hindi po kayo maguluhan. If you're still in the K1 Visa process, you may check the K1 Visa album and then you just scroll down and then look for the titles and the thumbnails. It might help you with your process. And if you're now in the adjustments of status stage, you may check that video right here or this album title right here. Scroll down nyo lang po and then just read the album just read the videos, the title and the thumbnails. This might help you as well po in your visa process or the adjustment of status. So yes, hello everybody, good morning pala, good afternoon, or good evening. Anong oras man po ninyo mapanood ang video na ito. Anyways, this is just gonna be a quick one. I just wanna update you guys, and also, or bago pa dito, ay nag-a-update ako ng about visa. I do live stream po. Nagle-live stream po ako dito sa YT every morning po, 8 a.m. Central Time Zone, around 9 p.m. po sa Philippines. I share my experience, nag-answer din po ako ng mga questions. Kung alam ko lang din naman po yung mga sagot. You may join me, you may join us, and magchikahan po tayo. Nakakatuwa kasi marami ding nag-share ng kanilang mga experiences. Marami pong nanonood ng mga live stream ko and nagsishare ng kanilang mga experience, and yung iba nagtatanong po, yung iba naman ng mga viewers ko nag-a-answer din sa mga questions. So, join me on my live stream every weekdays 8 a.m. po dito sa America, Central Time Zone, and 9 p.m. sa Philippines. Recently, from my live stream, ang daming nagtatanong kung saan na ba, anong month na ba ang ina-approve nila ngayon na I-129F petition. And gaano ba? These are just the common questions po na natatanggap ko on a daily basis. Gaano nga ba katagal maghintay ng NVC letter when you get approved on your I-129F petition? So yan po ang topic natin on this video. Just a quick disclaimer, I am not affiliated with any government agency nor working with or as an immigration attorney. I am not a professional or a legal expert. I'm only sharing based on my personal experience and my research as a DIY filer po or do-it-yourself K1 visa applicant or filer. These are all based on my personal experience, my research, and my knowledge, and the people that I talk to every day po na nagsishare din ng kanilang mga experiences with me. So these are all based on my experience, and I encourage you to please visit the official website of the US Visa. That's uscis.gov, travel.state.gov, and also the ustraveldocs.gov, and of course the Philippine Embassy, that's ph.usembassy.gov. So those are the official website of the US Visa po. You may visit their page, their channel, read everything there about K1 Visa, especially if you are just about to start your application, your K1 Visa application. So yes, without further ado, Miss Jai, anong month na nga ba sila nag-a-approve right now ng I-129F petition? Ready na ba kayo? November filers. Yes, November filers po. Hang in there. Ang dami nang na-approve na mga first week of November and second week of November. So, hang in tight. One of these days, maa-approve na po kayo. Makakatanggap na po kayo ng notice of action to the approved notice of your I-129F petition. So, congratulations po sa lahat ng mga na-approve na November filers, and sa mga naghihintay pa po na ma-approve ang kanilang I-129F petition. Good luck po sa inyo. Hang in there. Malapit na po kayo. Ang next step po niyan, the next step will be the NVC letter. So, how long do you have to wait for your NVC letter from getting approved on your I-129F petition? Now, just an estimation po sa lahat ng mga naririnig ko, sa lahat ng mga followers ko po dito, it takes about at least 2 months to receive the NVC letter or the K1 FTP. Yung iba po, 3 months. Hanggang ngayon naghihintay pa rin, and they are still inquiring about their NVC letter dahil nag-case ready na sila pero wala pa po silang na-receive na NVC letter or the K1 FTP. And as you may know, K1 FTP is needed po sa medical. I know it's needed sa medical, and I think it is also needed sa biometrics po ninyo. So, yung iba naman, ang mangyayari po niyan from USCIS, iti-transfer po ang inyong approved notice or yung approved petition po ninyo to DOS. Now, DOS will transfer it to the National Visa Center para mabigyan po kayo ng NVC letter or the Manila case number para may case na po kayo sa embassy kung saan kayo mag-i-interview. Usually, it takes about a month from USCIS to DOS and another month for your DOS to NVC letter. To receiving your NVC letter, it takes about another 30 days or 1 month. Some people, inaabot po ng more than 60 days to receive their NVC letter. And again, like what I said, May iba po na 3-4 months na hindi pa nakaka-receive ng NVC letter. Now, when do you do public inquiry? I've already posted a video about the how to do public inquiry for your NVC letter. Please check this video right here. Nasa album po na ito, K1 Visa album. You may visit my channel, go to playlist, and then click K1 Visa album. Check this video on how to do public inquiry. When do you do public inquiry? Mag-public inquiry po kayo pag 30 days na after you get approved on your I-129f petition and wala pa kayong NVC letter. You do public, pwede na po kayong mag-public inquiry niyan. 30 days after you receive your I-129f petition pag wala pang NVC. So yes, ganun po. It takes about 2 months or more than 2 months yung iba bago nakaka-receive ng NVC letter. Mag-PI lang po kayo pag wala pa kayong NVC letter. So, ayun lang po yung gusto kong i-share sa inyo. USCIS, DOS, NVC, and then DS-160 na kayo, bookings na kayo, yun po yung mga gagawa ninyo. So, congratulations November filer, December filers, hang in there. And yes, NVC or USCIS to NVC, it takes about at least 2 months po to receive your NVC letter or K1 FTP. NVC letter and the K1 FTP ay iisa lang po sila. So ayun, good luck everybody. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng always nanonood po. I appreciate you. Ang dami po ninyo. Ang dami pong nagme-message sa akin, nagko-comment dito actually sa channel ko, sa mga videos ko, thanking me sa lahat po ng mga videos ko, nakatulong daw po sa kanila. So maraming salamat po. I am glad na kahit papaano po nakatulong yung mga videos ko sa inyo. Yun naman po talaga yung target ko, na makatulong po sa inyo kahit sandali lang or kahit konti lang sa process po ninyo. Maraming salamat po. I really appreciate you all. And yes, if you have any questions, you may visit my channel, check the videos kasi baka po may mga confusions kayo, and I've already made a video about it. You may check my channel. Again, go to K1 album and then scroll down nyo lang po, hanapin nyo lang, tingnan nyo lang yung mga titles and thumbnails, kanyan. And you may also leave a comment kung anong filers na kayo. If you're November, anong petsa ba nung November kayo nag-file from last year. And anyways, yes, again, if you have any questions, you may leave a comment po and then I will just answer you. If you have questions na kailangan ng sagot agad-agad, you may use the super chats right here. The heart icon po nandito kahilera ng anong tawag nito, approve, share, ganyan na button meron dyan para ma-highlight po yung question niyo, or you may join my membership para po maka-chat niyo po ako dito sa YT. So maraming salamat po. Again, I really appreciate you everyone from the bottom of my heart. Maraming salamat po sa support ninyo and for always watching my video. Please don't forget to give this video a like and please help me share this video sa mga kakilala niyo po na still processing their visa or naghihintay na ma-approve po ng kanilang I-129F petition or kaka-approve lang and don't know what to do next. So good luck everybody. Visit my video and yes, I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you very much everyone and good luck po sa lahat.